Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're going to be upgrading our Galaxy Tab A9 Plus with a drop and shock proof case. Basically, we did this with the A8, and this case is probably the best case ever. It's got one of these awesome ring handles. You can have it held up this way, you can have it held up that way. You can do all this stuff, and it's got nice protection. So we're going to be upgrading our A9 Plus with a very, very similar case. This comes all the way from eBay, Amazon, AliExpress, those kind of locations. And it looks very similar, except instead of the ring pull, we now have like a handle like that. But you can still lift it up because it has a flap around here that you can move. The first thing looks like you pull apart the rubber. I'm just making this up basically, but it seems a bit obvious. Just pull out the rubber and take the front part off. Double check the instructions. Use installation tool to open the TPU cover. So there's actually a tool probably in here to do that. It's getting birth and boom, check over there. That is probably the tool they were talking about. Yeah, my fingers, they're also tools. So you put the front in first and just align the camera. So the camera hole is, it isn't there. What's that for? It looks like the camera hole is at the top there, so that's where I'll put the bump. Hey, look at that, it's almost done. Not sure what this hole is for, must be for like a microphone or something like that. Okay, this is a pretty easy case to install, I've got to say. You just plop it in, and that is it. That is a really quick job of installing. Just gonna get rid of this strap temporarily, show you the stand, and just like that, it is installed. There you go, that was easy. You also get a stylus. Oh, this is the tool. There you go. The tools at the back. You get two tools. Thank you. So you get a stand, which allows you to stand it up both sides. A bit flimsy this way, but it works. How many degrees of movement? All I really like is just the protection, really, that this cover is going to give. And I got to say, it does look nice and sleek. And so I've put all this back in. Yeah, it does look nice and sleek and professional. I think in the future, what I might do is actually have this on a wall, and it will just give a little bit of a console for the case. So that is it, the ultimate case for your Tab A9 Plus. And you also even get straps so you can carry it around like a boss. Now, as you can see, these cases, they look nice, they look professional, they look like they're going to be shock proof. The A8 has an added advantage. I couldn't find this case for the A9, I wish I could, but the A8, it's got one of these ring pulls. You can do this kind of awesomeness, so you can stand it up at any kind of like angle. It's very, very solid. The A9, however, it has one of these lock cases, so it just locks into one angle. You can still hold it landscape or portrait, but where the A9 case, where you win slightly with that, is that it's got lots of straps. So you can strap it around your hand. You can also carry it like you would a handbag kind of situation. So these are, my opinion, the ultimate cases you can get. Oh, its buttons still work. It's one thing to note, make sure you put this the right way around, otherwise the buttons won't work. There you go, works again. All right, so these are, in my opinion, the most ultimate cases you can get for your tabs. Look at that, boom, it still works, feels nice and protected.